Day to all of you, another day, another vlogs on my backyard breeding or backyard rooster breeding, chicken care, rooster care, raising roosters, breeding roosters, updates and everything, my friend. How I used to raise this kind of roosters, the Boston Black, my friend. So come on, I will share you something. I will show you for today's basic things that I do in my backyard, my friend. So before all of that, let's do the intro train or intro thing, my friend. Here's the questions, my friend. Do you ever wonder how these things goes or reflects to my roosters? The hygiene, the cleaning, the monitoring of my backyard is also reflects on the healthiness, goodness, and the proper rooster raising with regards with hygiene. There are different ways of hygiene, my friend. Roosters hygiene, backyard hygiene, feeding hygiene, the foods, and the outer part, the feathers, my friend. So let's go. Let's check it by one. Regards with roosters raising, my friend and fellow men, this is so simple. The hygiene, the cleaning, the maintenance, the process of doing it is to maintain and preserve and then aim better roosters health, my friend. So this time I will show you the different types of roosters from this one. The hygiene that I do this is the physical hygiene is I take them a bath. They have their own special shampoo, my friend. The shampoo with some kind of lice removal, to disseminate the microorganism that cause them infection, my friend, from their heads. If the rooster is so here in the Philippines, my friend, if the rooster is so dirty, stinky roosters, they are prone for lots of mosquitoes at night. Mosquitoes and everything, my friend, lices. That's when your roosters are stinky. Another hygiene, my friend, is the internal hygiene, my friend. So mostly roosters, we breed roosters, but the roosters breed also worms and the intestinal organism, the worms, that cause them so thin, my friend, because they have this kind of worms in their body, in their intestine, my friend. So we do the monthly or 2 months, deworming, my friend. We deworm our roosters because for example, you feed your roosters for about 40 grams. So if they put it inside their body because of worms, lots of worms, it only dissolve 30% or 20% because of lots of worms that also eat in their intestine, my friend. So we do deworming. That's a proper for me, that's an internal hygiene for roosters, my friend. Another one is the backyard. The backyard hygiene. So for now, I will show you what I do for my backyard rooster hygiene, my friend. So I do this whenever I see dirty chicken poop. We need to properly remove them. Not totally scheduled, but whenever we see, it depends upon on you and how you want your roosters healthy. You want your rooster red face, healthy face. You need to start first at the bottom, my friend. The cleaning, the deworming, the taking a bath of the roosters. It's all you need to balance it. You need to put it together, and then you can have this kind of roosters, the red faces, the healthy one. You can have that. You can no longer regret the physical checking of theirs, my friend. If you physically check them, their faces, it's so red because you do the proper hygiene for them, my friend. The hygiene in feeding, we used to deworm them. The hygiene in their feathers, we used to take them a bath, and the hygiene of the backyard, the whole area, my friend. So you can see lots of some we have 51 roosters. Poops are everywhere, my friend. I am the one who take care of them all, my friend. Solo 51 pieces, my friend, all properly disciplined, properly separated, because these roosters are game birds. They are not really good to be free, because by experience they're not designed to be loose, my friend. We put them on loose, but at a certain times, or certain types of their age, my friend. So why I do the English thing, my friend? Why I do the English? And this is the I've been it's been so hard for me to speak English, my friend, but I am trying so hard to do English, because whenever I speak Tagalog, a natural sharing, my friend, by experience, I'm sharing this by experience, my friend. Almost 70% of it get no ads, it means no revenue. It means it's a loss of effort on doing videos when you upload, and then no ads, my friend. no revenue. How can I provide it for my roosters? How can I aim to take it to take the product of viewing my roosters? How can I help my roosters to feed them when there's no such? That's why I make it English, my friend. English is the YouTube or English platform, my friend. English platform. That's why whenever I the comparison by experience, although it's so hard to express it in English, my friend. And then you know what? Yeah, your videos is not suitable. Oh my God, I don't know. I just can't learn how to translate my talking in Tagalog, and then the subtitle become English. So I used to do that all, and then recheck it. It takes me time to make a videos for roosters. I just can't. Sometimes my eyes have been blurry. I've been I can't read anymore by being so consistent and uploading. So this time I ask apologies to my friends of Tagalog. I know you can get me, because I only speak low, easy Tagalog or easy English. I know you can get me. So pardon me. I will speak in Tagalog. Pagpasensya nyo na, kabarid, kasi lahat ng video natin almost lagi tayong naaalisan ng harang ng advertisement, my friend. So we need to to connect to them, to follow the guidelines. Easier for the YouTube to know what we are talking about. So now game birds like this, especially game birds, especially roosters with cords, most of the some of the viewers may be confused why they were but by breeders, by experience, and by by their behavior. So this time, my friend, it's English. Pardon me, Filipino friends, to speak English. Sometimes I make you laugh, but the intention, or the phrases of doing this, my friend, is just to make my videos get easier. After you upload, what you call that, the checking, easier for my YouTube, our boss to check it, because we speak English. Sharing stories. They are so, we understand them. There are standards, and I want to help them, to help me get easier, approval for my videos. I just share. I only share. I only show my roosters. I just share them how they they make their day from afternoon to morning. I just show that. So back to the back to the topic, my friend. Back to the topic. I think I made a drama again, my friend. Back to the topic, my friend. So hygiene, my friend, very important for my roosters. Hygiene, very important for breeders also. If you don't do this, my friend, or you just watch them, let them stinky, let them have a bad odor, my friend, it will backfire to you. you'll always be the one that will suffer, because if they get sick, you will be running around, uh, making me buying medicine, curing them, because the sickness of these roosters, my friend, if they get sick, the sickness, the viral infection will spread. They will spread. They will transfer to another, and then if you just don't care, my friend, all of them will be will not survive. So from the first from the bottom, you need to do your job. It's your responsibility, my friend, to to maintain a proper hygiene for your rooster. I use from the ground whenever it's wet, or something is still stinky on it. I put the chlorine, the dissolved chlorine, to spread it on the floor or on the ground, my friend. So this is a Boston Black, my friend. This is a red kelso. That's a red kelso, my friend. 6 months old. You know what? It's raining here. It's raining. Do you know the little rain, the tiny rain? Like the spray. You see, it's raining. This is the Philippines, my friend. Unpredictable, because of 4 seasons, my friend. Sometimes even if there's sun, it rains. You see, last time, you see the sky, it's darker, but the sun is so high, my friend. You see the differences of the sun, but it rains, my friend. It rains right now. So that's what I do. I just keep on sharing today's video. It's all about hygiene. It's very important, my friend, to make your area, your backyard clean, my friend. You make it clean. It affects your breeding. It affects your healthy roosters, and of course the neighbors. If they smell it, my friend, oh my god, GPC, what are you doing, bro? You're are you good enough for taking care of your rooster? Because it's stinky, bro. That's the one that we don't want to hear from them. Whenever I see some kind of stinky thing on my yard, or I will check it. Oop, there's a bunch of angry poop over there, and come on, let's do it, man. I always gonna clean them up. So thank you, my friend, for always coming by. This one is English. Hope they understand. I just gonna explain it on the comment section, my friend. If there's someone again gonna hate me for expressing my my updates on English, the thing that matters for me is I follow the easier for the to recognize or approve my videos, my friend. So thank you, and then hopefully, my friend, you're gonna have a good day, my friend. Thank you.